Alright, hello guys. So today I'm gonna look at Tesla. I'm gonna give a little update on Tesla, and so for over the past couple of days I've been quite bullish on Tesla, and and on Thursday we broke out with this beautiful green candle. We broke out this um price right here, 194 to 194 area. We broke above the blue line, which is the 21 daily EMA, and all we did on Friday before the weekend, all we did was really just came down to touch this blue line, and now we're bouncing. Like, this is extremely bullish. We're doing the good old break and retest of a resistance point, and I do expect continuation up to 208. We can't even hit 208 on Tuesday. It could be an extremely bullish candle, especially over the weekend. There might be a weekend news that push the price up to 208. We might even open above this line, and it's gonna be like a super bullish for Tesla. But anything can happen. We might even come back down to 194 and then bounce. Like, that can happen too. But I see us going up to 208 either Tuesday when the market on the Tuesday candle, or next week, like sometime next week. So yeah, on this week candle, I see us going to 2.8. We might even break 2.8 and head all the way up to this green line, 218 to 220. That's entirely possible. But once we head up here, it's a make or break for Tesla. We can have a huge rejection up here. We can have a huge rejection that brings us all the way down, and it can be death. Right? We will fall hard, or Tesla can go up here, start using 2A as support, and going back up for a second try to break out all of these resistance point. Or, Tesla can just go crazy and just break everything. But I don't see that happening. I see us really getting rejected up here. It's going to be quite brutal. And we're just going to have to wait and see what happens over the next 1 to 2 months. But for now, I'm short-term bullish. I see us going to 2.8 in like maybe on Tuesday or the couple of days following Tuesday. Check the 4-hour. Yeah, it's quite nice. We're above these two lines. Maybe price might just wait for these two lines to come close. Like, we might just price might just stall here for a little bit as these lines come, and then price is gonna shoot up once after it touch these lines. I've been calling I've been a bull since a couple of days ago, since my first video on this channel. I've been a Tesla bull for quite a while, and everything's playing out to my thesis of how this is just a wave one. This was a wave, or this was a wave one. This was just a wave two, and we're starting our wave three, and we'll just see what happens. Like, once this breaks, then wave three will officially start. But right now, my thesis is wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, and all the market really did was did a 5-wave correction, really. Wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. It's just a little 5-wave correction, and everything's playing out to my thesis. I see 2-wave breaking, and eventually 220 either this week. Yeah, I think this week. I think this candle we might hit 220, 218, and then it's gonna get a little confusing. It's going to get a little scary and confusing once we get up here. And I'm just going to look at this real quick. And this is the VTI. And I said that I said in my last video, that in my last Tesla video, we were going to shoot up to 250, and if we have a strong bullish candle, we can head up much higher prices. And unfortunately, we did have a little rejection here, which can be dangerous for Tesla and the stock market in general. We're just going to have to wait next week to see what happened. I'm still bullish, but we'll see. Goodbye.